Hello, I'm Rhys Davies from Moor Farm in Holywell in Flintshire. We're a 100 cow Holstein Friesian herd that calves in the spring over a period of 8 weeks. We rear all our own replacements and our milk goes to Arla on a manufacturing contract on the Arla Care Morrison's scheme. One of the aspects, I think an important one, is how we manage our soils and forages in extreme weather conditions. So for example, last month now has been very dry and we've noticed some of the species don't perform as well as others, and some species perform better in certain conditions, either when it's wet or when it's dry. And going forward, I think we're going to get more of those extreme weather events. So yeah, trying to reassess our forage and soil strategy and improve it. I think that's one area we could really improve with. Another area is quite topical and current is the use of artificial intelligence and how we can maybe use it to our advantage and make use of this technology. I think it can be very useful. And thirdly, trying to do more with less inputs, use what we've got and try and make them perform better. So the cows, i.e. the cows producing more milk solids per cow, or using less fertiliser, growing more grass per hectare, whatever it might be. But that idea of skill before scale and doing more with less.